So I've been with Dross, this is my 18th season. I started right out of high school, and I worked in the greenhouses for about a month, and then they pulled me out to the field, and then she trained me for 4 years. I became a foreman, and I'm still here.
I had like no knowledge of landscaping, but I had heard of Dross before, and I was like, I should try it. See, and I came into this company thinking that I was just going to be working with men. I thought it was going to be pretty funny to see like all these big guys thinking like, oh, look at this 5-foot girl. But I got to meet my foreman, Heather, and a couple other girls. You know, I realized that I'm not working with all guys, so I don't mind that.
We do a lot of weeding. They would get a lot of plant knowledge. We would teach them how to prune any plants that need to be cut back or pruned in the spring, a lot of fertilization, and then they'll learn, mulching. I think everybody knows how to mulch at some point. Spraying like pesticides or deer repellent, they're gonna learn how to use all of that. And then we go into fall cleanups, which would be cutting all the plants back. So they're gonna learn which ones get cut back, which ones don't. There's a lot of knowledge they're gonna learn just about plants. A lot of leaf blowing. They're gonna learn how to put up winter protection, chicken wire, deer fence, frost fabric, burlap.
I just enjoy being outside, even if it is cold or hot or whatever weather it is. I like doing everything pretty much. I don't know if there's really anything I don't like doing out here.
It's truly a good job because every time we get to a job site, you can see like how messy it is, you know, and when you go through the whole process, making it all good, look good. After all that, when you finish, you look and you say, wow, you can see the difference.
I love that Dross gives me the opportunity to not work off season. It's nice to have that time off, so you can we work so many hours during the season, so it's nice to have that off time so I spend a lot of time with family.
I definitely have learned a lot, and I definitely enjoy it, and I don't want to leave.